Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am back this week with more home hacks. The last time I did this video, you all seemed to really love it. And if you're wondering what a home hack is, it's basically things you could do around your house to make your life easier. This is a combination of DIYs, different tips, and gadgets. If you guys could quickly do me a favor and think about what types of videos you'd like to see me do coming up in the new year, I would really appreciate your ideas and feedback. So leave those down in the comments because I am planning right now for my upcoming content and I would really love your input. So with all that said, let's jump into it. So if you're dealing with any squeaky, creaky doors in the house, this is really bad to have when you have a toddler because he hears the doors opening and closing, and ours were super loud. So a really easy solution for this is to take your spray cooking oil and lightly spray it on the grooves of the door. That's all you need. There's no chemicals involved and your doors will open and close easily with no annoying sound. Another tip for your doors, I was noticing a lot of the doors around our house are kind of dirty with handprints, and that's because we have a toddler around. And the best way to deal with this is using a magic eraser sponge, and you just dampen that, squeeze out the excess water, and you can use this to clean off any handprints or stains that are on your doors so they look nice and shiny and new again. In fact, I've done an entire dedicated video on all the different things you can do around your house with a magic eraser sponge. So I will link that video down below. These things are so handy. I have a couple different gadgets that are going to save you significant kitchen storage space. The first is this universal pan lid. So instead of having 10 different size lids for your pots and pans, you can get this universal pan lid and it's gonna fit on multiple size pans so you can free up so much space. This thing is super convenient, it's affordable, so I love this gadget. And next is a collapsible colander. I don't know why this wasn't invented sooner. It saves up so much space. So basically it's made out of this rubberized material that either folds up when you're not using it or expands when you need a colander. Then when you're done using it, you clean it, collapse it back up, and it takes up very minimal space and you don't have to waste so much space in your cabinets for your larger colander. If you deal with the problem of your trash bag falling into the trash as you're putting things in it, what you can do is get 2 command hooks, put them upside down on the side of the trash can, and then loop the side of the trash bags into these hooks. So it will prevent your trash bag from falling in. For our family, this has been one of the most useful hacks. So while we're in the trash area, another hack that's extremely useful, take some crumbled up newspaper, put it at the bottom of your trash can, and then sprinkle your favorite essential oil in there. Then you'll put your trash bag in at the trash can, and this will be a little lining on the bottom. So just in case there are any leaks, the newspaper will collect those and the essential oils will release a nice pleasant scent in your trash area. I think at this point, most of us out there know what potpourri is, and it's so good to have this in your house. Just trust me if you don't have it. Basically, you spray it on the toilet before anyone goes to the bathroom and it prevents any unpleasant smells. But what I learned recently is you can make your own really inexpensive. So all you need to make your own is a 4-ounce spray bottle. You want to fill that up with water, add 20 drops of your essential oil of choice, and then 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Shake that all together. It's going to do the same thing as potpourri and it's a fraction of the cost. One issue that we were having in our house is that our staircase was so dark at night. When I was coming down the stairs to get things at night, it was very difficult to see. I found these battery-operated stick-on lights that you can put in different entryways or stairwells that are sensor activated. So as you're walking, they will light up. It makes it so much more safe. You guys probably know by now how much I love my little plastic scraper tool. I don't know how I got by without it. Now I have another use for it, and that is on our hardwood floors. So we have a toddler, he flings his food on the ground, it gets stuck on the ground, and I can't mop it off fully. So now what I do is I spray the floors and I use my scraper to get any caked on food or debris off the floors before I mop, and it will help get everything lifted off the floors so they can be fully cleaned. If you deal with the problem of draining canned items and losing half of it in the sink, they make something called a can colander. So it fits over the top of the can so you can easily strain the liquids out. So simple, but very useful, especially since I make beans for Carter almost every day. This thing has been awesome. One little laundry tip that I've been doing is put about a half a cup of baking soda in your loads of laundry. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna help deodorize your laundry, but make your colors and whites brighter. And it's such an inexpensive solution. It's a lot less expensive than using something like OxiClean, and it works extremely well. So this is what I've been doing with all of my loads of laundry lately. Another little gadget, it looks ridiculous, but Ryan's been using it and he swears by it. It is this folding board. So you just put this on a flat surface, put your t-shirts on top, and then you fold over the sides and the bottom, and you will have a perfectly folded shirt. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of t-shirts that are kind of all around the same size like Ryan does. So this makes him folding his laundry go by so much faster. Alright, so that's going to be it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to leave your video suggestions for me down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. We're getting super close to Christmas. If any of you out there are still looking for gift ideas, check out my video I posted last week. They're all Amazon Prime Christmas gift ideas, so they can still get to you in time for Christmas. I will leave the link for that. And with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!
I think I have $1 million idea. Baby bum spray.